In this video, I have two pack and ships for you. Hi everyone, I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue. Welcome to my channel, and as always, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for joining me. The first thing I like to do is get it off my shelf, show you that, show you my eBay sold, and then I show you how I pack and ship it. With that said, let's get started. The first pack and ship is 3 apple decor plates. Let's go get them off the shelf. The plates were an eBay sale. All 3 plates are just decor plates, wall plates, not for food use. They sold for $20 and the buyer paid shipping. I think I have about $2 in these 3 plates. I'm just going to go through the photos here and show you that the plates were imperfect. They did have some scratches. We use these little sticky tabs to point out any flaws. In fact, I shipped the plates with the sticky tabs in place, and I did get really good feedback from the buyer. We did separate the hangers from the plates and pack those separately. It also made it easier to clean the plates. The first thing that I like to do is wrap each plate in tissue paper. The tissue paper doesn't help for breakage, it just helps protect the finish on the plate. And you'll see in this video that I fast forward here and there. Here's my tip for you today. I like to use styrofoam plates to separate plates. Yes, styrofoam plates in between each ceramic plate, plus on the top and the bottom. You can get these at the Dollar Tree, but I found the best prices are at Walmart and Aldi. Aldi has a good price for these. I typically keep 3 sizes on hand. I'm basically creating a sandwich using the styrofoam plates. These are in place of bubble wrapping each plate. Be sure to tape at least 4 sides on this stack of plates. You'll need a longer piece of tape for this. But of course we do need to bubble wrap it, and I use 1/2 inch large bubble wrap. It comes in 12 by 12 sections, and I'm just cross-laying here 2 pieces. 2 pieces one direction and 2 pieces on top the other direction. And as you would any fragile item, just fold up the bubble wrap and tape it as needed. I just used a zip bag for the plate hangers, but I'm going to bubble wrap those as well. So now that everything is bubble wrapped, let's take a measurement and see what size box that we need. I really like these USPS free priority boxes that are inside dimension 12 by 12 by 8. These are great boxes. Let's get it folded up, and I put an extra piece of tape on the side seam. We have 8 inches of depth in this box, so we do need to put some filler in, and I'm going to be using styrofoam peanuts. Now it's time to cross lay again some of the large bubble wrap. 2 pieces one direction, 2 pieces the opposite direction. I decided to roll the bubble wrap down around the sides of my plates but I still need some more styrofoam peanuts to top it off. And you want to make sure that it's just a little bit over full, not so much that you can't close the box, but that you're putting slight pressure on the packing material when you're folding the flaps. You don't want anything to move or shift around. And of course I apply my thank you note, which I run 30 up on a sheet of printer labels. I always cross tape my boxes. I don't tape all the way around because this is really good tape, so I just cross tape both directions on the top and bottom. Let's get the box sealed up. Keep on watching because this is a double pack and ship video. Now we're going to pack and ship a lemon recipe pie plate. Let's go get it off the shelf. This is the eBay sale. I had it listed for $19.95 and it sold for $19.95 with buyer paid shipping. This is an 11-inch Royal China Jeanette lemon meringue recipe pie plate. I love lemon meringue pie. Do you love lemon meringue pie? If you do, leave a comment down below. But I didn't need this recipe. I have others, so I did sell the plate, and as I said, it sold for $19.95. As always, wrapping it in a layer of tissue paper. But we do have that center area that's quite deep, so we need to add some more tissue paper to fill in that space. In fact, I'm going to add an extra sheet of bubble wrap to fill in the middle of the pie plate. Again, let's cross-lay a couple of sheets of the large 1/2-inch bubble wrap. Place the pie plate in the center and tape away. I'll fast forward through this. I always check the edges to make sure there's no hard edges. I still feel the pie plate through the bubble wrap, so I'm going to add some more. I like to say bubble your troubles away, because if you use enough bubble wrap, enough packing material, your item will arrive safely and you will have no troubles. Again, adding a little more bubble wrap. I think it needs it. And tape away. So now that everything is bubble wrapped, let's take a measurement and see what size box that we need. I'm using another USPS large mailing box, same size as for the apple plates. Let's get this assembled. Inside dimension 12 by 12 by 8, but always use your outside dimensions rounded up when you're listing your dimensions of the box when shipping. And do a test fit. As expected, I have some extra room. Let's fill that up with some styro peanuts. And of course I apply my thank you note. This is a tighter fit than the apple plates were, so all I have to do is add more peanuts on top. Let's get it folded up and taped up, and it's ready to ship to my buyer. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and ring that bell to receive notifications on future videos. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue. Check out my other videos. Simple sells for good profit.